Good afternoon, everyone. David Paul speaking. It's coming on to about 4:30 UK time, and today I want to look at the share for the adventurous investor. It's a share called Jubilee Platinum, and it's trading at 2.85 pence. Vectorvest believes that it's worth nearly 4.5 pence, which means that it's significantly undervalued. Our relative value, which measures the price appreciation potential in relation to the risk-free rate, a treble rated corporate bond, is at 1.18, which is fair. Relative safety, poor, and the trend at the moment, poor. It's on a hold recommendation, and we believe that it's going to grow earnings next year at about 20%. So the fundamental position is mixed. However, the technical position to me looks exceptionally good for the adventurous investor, that is. Share price moved up very strongly in 2015 and 16, and then pulled back in a characteristic three waves, which is has a bullish tendency to it, and it was accumulated over the guts of a year here at the 78% retracement of this range. And to me, that's a marked accumulation, in my humble opinion, by insiders, by people in the know. Share price moved up very strongly from that level and is now pulling back. And if we have a close-up of that, there's the picture over the last 6 months. In fact, that's that 78% retracement, and as you can see, some nice candle patterns here before it moved up the page very strongly indeed, and it's pulled back over the last day or two. Now, if I get rid of the big fibs, and now in fact put on a shorter term Fibonacci relationship between here, we can see that this market in fact has found support once and twice at the 68% retracement, and has found a little bit of buying at the 62% retracement. Now, market has pulled back with the platinum price. The platinum price to me looks as if it's bottomed out and can actually move strongly from here. My friends who are fundamental analysts in the mining markets tell me that they believe there's going to be a shortage of platinum 18 months to 2 years out, but that's a long way away. This pattern, folks, this thrust and then a double bottom is quite a positive technical pattern made famous by a gentleman by the name of Richard Wyckoff some years ago. So it's still on a hold recommendation here, and I think we don't have to stress too much, but nevertheless, wait for it to go into a buy recommendation. But I believe that there's a trade here which has got very little risk and an enormous amount of upside should the trade work, and as traders we can ask for no more than that. Volume is good as well, and as you can see during this run up the page here we had significant volume, and that's really good. Price rising and volumes rising, that's really good. And we had a little bit of volume here as it moved up here. I actually thought it was going to run from there, and as it's pulled back in the last day or two, very little volume going into it indeed, but still no volume coming into this green couple of days here. So I think that very limited risk to the downside in Jubilee. The fundamentals of the mine are improving, and a low risk trade. So I'm going to watch it. I haven't bought into it yet. I'm going to watch it, but if I see a little bit of confirmation at that 62% level, it is a trade, as I say, for the adventurous investor, for those investors that can manage risk proactively without fear or hesitation. I hope this helps.